Hey, Chris Object Bushel Plus here. Today we're going to talk about how to change out the battery on your remote control. It's quite simple and easy. You need a small little screwdriver. You'll notice that one end is kind of opened up a bit. You're going to go ahead, slide your screwdriver in between, give it a little pry, and she'll open right up for you. Go ahead, open it, push through. We'll then expose the PCB board for you. Slide the battery out. Put the new battery back in. And while you have it in your hand, go ahead and press it, and it should illuminate up once. As you're holding it, if it flashes multiple times, kind of like that, then you know it's not working and it needs to be replaced. Otherwise, go ahead, reassemble it the same way that you took her apart. Make sure she's all cracked all the way through. Press the button, make sure the light comes back on again. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any other questions, please check out some of our other videos on the website.